Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to automate your digital life. So most of us are using multiple devices, mobile phone, tablet and apps like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and others at the same time. So wouldn't it be great if there is a way to connect all your different gadgets and applications with each other so that they can seamlessly work together to automate your digital life and make it simpler. For example, wouldn't it be great if each time you receive an email with an attachment, it automatically gets downloaded to your Google Drive or Dropbox, or if somebody tagged photo on your Facebook, that you can automatically download in your Google Drive. So this all is going to be possible. So for that we are having a website. This is that website. This is like if this then that. It is web-based service that allows you to automate your online life by creating recipe. It is nothing but automatically run in the background and allow you to create connections between different applications. So each recipe connects two different channel is nothing but different applications. So let me show you through demo. So the website name is www.ifttt.com. it is nothing but if this then that. So this is that website. If this is that website. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this website and make one account here and log in. After that you need to click on, you have to create the recipe. So what is mean by recipe means which actions and which application you want to automate always and what process you want actually. So I'm going to click on this. The process is open this website and create one account here, log in with, and you need to create those recipes. So how to create recipe? You have to click on this and click on create. Once you click on create, then this page will come. So this page is if this then that. What does it mean? If some process will happen, then according to that process some actions is going to be happen. Say for example, if I'm logging to Facebook, then it will go to Google Drive. So what does it mean? If some of your friend will tag you some photos, then that photos will get automatically stored into your Google Drive. So let me show you one small demo to you. So if this, so I'm going to click on this plus button. So just click on this plus button. After clicking on plus button, so this is the service. So which service you want to add it. So if you see here, we have lots of services here. So it's it will be a weather application, Android services, anything, photos or so many applications are there here. So what service you want according to your need, just select those service and add it. So for demo purpose, I am going to select one of the service, say Android battery. So I'm going to select Android battery. So when I choose my service as an Android battery, it gives me three options. Battery drops below 15%, device is plugged in, or device is unplugged. So here we need to select one option. So what basically I'm trying to do, I choose one service and I am going to make some actions on that. So I'm going to click on battery drops below 15%. So this I clicked. Now service got selected. So if this happens, then what? means if this is happen, then what action you want. So now I am going to click on again plus button. Now here I am going to select Android SMS. So I am going to click on Android SMS. So what action I am going to send? If my battery percentage is below 15%, I should get some message, or I should get some messages like my battery percentage is less than 15%. So I have to select send an SMS. So here I need to give my phone number. Okay, so just add it. Just keep some phone number here and create an action. Okay, so once if you give action, you will get information like that. So every time you will get this kind of message and you need to just click on finish. Okay, so once if you click on finish, your one service will get over. So this is one of the process. I'm not going to click on finish. So this is one process, and this is one small demo. So how you can connect one service, and how you can add some another actions on that. So say suppose you want to connect your Facebook as a service. So what you have to do, just you have to log in with your Facebook credential. Okay, so just give here your Facebook as a service, and after that in action, what action you want. Suppose you want to connect with say for Google Drive or Dropbox, and what action you want. So what it will do, right? Whenever you will get any messages or any photo tag, what will happen? That will get stored into your Google Drive, and you will get notification for that. So this is how you can automate your digital life like that. You can automate it. Suppose another example I want to give you. Let me create one fresh recipe. So I'm going to click on create. So going to plus. Suppose I am going to see for weather flow. I am going to check for weather. So choose the triggering. What function I want. So I am going to check for today's weather report. So today's weather report I am going to check. So at what time I want. So I want every 6 a.m. Every morning I want to know what is the weather condition, and I need to just create triggering. And what the action. Okay, that is that, and you can see message as well. You can get those messages as well. Okay, so you can get the message. Just you need to check. You already choose those service for weather. You just give your contact number here, and this message will come to your mobile. If you give action at the same time, whatever time we have given, 6 morning, you will get one message. Today's condition with a high temperature, this and all the information of the weather, and you will get those message in your phone. So you need to just click on create action. So this is how some of the few of the things you can automate, and you can get those information through this application. So this is a bit interesting. So I will share this website link in the description below. Just have play around it. So this is all about this video. Thank you.